Good morning, children. Myself, Professor Kavita Kundarge, dealing with the chemistry subject for you all. So today, let us study about organic chemistry. It is one of the part of NCERT syllabus of PUC second year. The chapter is haloalkanes and haloarenes. So in this chapter, it starts from unit 10 to 13 of your syllabus, and this unit includes nomenclature, reasoning, distinguish between compounds, naming the reaction, reaction mechanism, and word problems, and some of the properties and the reactions of functional groups. So children, this chapter is very important for the point of view of examination, that is haloalkanes and haloarenes. So in this unit, we are going to deal with first the definition of haloalkanes and haloarenes, classification of haloalkanes and haloarenes, general formula, nomenclature, nature of CX bond, methods of preparation of haloalkanes and haloarenes, physical properties, chemical properties, and some of the uses. So these all points we are going to discuss in organic chemistry chapters. So taking from the first chapter to last chapter. So these all are the same points we are going to deal, that is from definition to uses. So let us start with the chapter as it is the continuation. So in the first year you have dealt with the basic concept of organic chemistry, and there you have come across alkane, alkene, alkynes, about the hybridization and about the naming the reactions. Okay, so let us start. What do you mean by haloalkanes? Haloalkanes are nothing but they are the halogen derivatives of alkanes. Okay, haloalkanes are nothing but halogen derivatives of alkanes. Halo means halogen, alkanes means alkanes derivatives in which one or more hydrogen atoms are substituted. Okay, haloalkanes are halogen derivatives in which one or more hydrogen atoms are substituted by halogen atom. So they are replaced. Hydrogen is replaced by halogen atoms are called as haloalkanes. Okay, so there are three types of haloalkanes are there. Those are monohaloalkanes, dihaloalkanes, and trihaloalkanes. So monohaloalkanes are nothing but they are the monohalogen derivatives, where if only one halogen atom is substituted, then it is called as monohalogen or monohaloalkanes, means only one. So that's why the name is in the slide, you can see only one. One represent monohaloalkanes. If two are substituted, then they are called as dihaloalkanes. Okay. If three are substituted, then they are called as trihaloalkanes. So these are the derivatives which are named as haloalkanes based on the position of the halogen atom and their substituents, okay, which is indicated by mono, di and tri. Next, coming to the classification of haloalkanes. Haloalkanes are classified as primary, secondary and tertiary. So primary haloalkanes, you can see in this slide, the example is bromoethane. So the alkyl halide in which the atom bonded to primary carbon atom are called primary haloalkanes. In which it is bonded to primary carbon atom are called as primary haloalkanes. If the alkyl halide is bonded to secondary carbon atom, then it is called as secondary haloalkanes. So you can see the second example, that is 2-chloropropane. So numbering is done from left to right, and branching is there for chlorine, that is the second number, 1, 2, 3. So 2-chloropropane. This is the example for secondary haloalkane. Next, coming to the tertiary haloalkane. So if the alkyl halide in which the halogen atom is bonded to tertiary alkyl halide or tertiary carbon is called as tertiary haloalkanes. So you can give example for 2-chloro, 2-methyl propane. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 3 are there, that is the tertiary, and branching is there for CH3 and Cl. So 2-chloro, 2-methyl propane. So these examples, that is bromoethane for primary haloalkanes, 2-chloropropane secondary haloalkanes, and 2-chloro, 2-methyl propane is for tertiary haloalkanes. So likewise you can go for the next example, that is the 2-chloro, 2,3-dimethyl pentane. So according to the branching, you are going to name it and by numbering the longest chain and the smallest chain. So as in the last year class, we have studied how to name and how to assign the numbers from left to right and from right to left. Okay children, IUPAC, that is International Union of Pure Applied Chemistry. Last year you have studied by numbering, and by the branching you can name the equation. Okay, so this is about what a common name, and IUPAC name is called as nomenclature of haloalkanes. Okay, the next, based on the substituted position, we can name it as 1, 2 as ortho, 1, 3 as meta, and 1, 4 as para position. So this is the classification of haloarenes, that is from chloride to iodine. The reaction goes on increasing in haloalkanes, and carbon atom is sp3 hybridized. Okay, so this is the nature of water, nature of C and X bond in case of haloalkanes. So since the size of halogen atom from F to I it increases, therefore the bond also increases. You can give this reason why the cleavage happens, why it is partially positive charge and why it is partially negative charge, and these halogens are more electronegative elements. So there may be one question like in chloride, fluoride, bromide, iodide, which is the most electronegative element, for 1 mark question. So you can give the answer is among these 4, fluorine or fluoride is the most electronegative element. Okay, it is the most electronegative. So this is the nature of CX bond. Next, coming to the methods of preparation, how these haloalkanes can be prepared. So haloalkanes can be prepared from alkenes and alkenes when the halogen atom replaces the hydrogen atom. Means halogen atom is what replaced by the hydrogen atom. Hydrogen iddale halogen bartade. Okay, so this is what haloalkanes can be prepared. So it can be prepared by 2 methods, again from alcohols and from halogen exchange method. Okay, so these 2 are the methods of preparations of haloalkanes, that is from alcohols. So alcohols can be converted into haloalkanes. Okay, alcohols can be converted into haloalkane by substitution of OH group with the halogen atom. So we are going to substitute alcohol is what is the functional formula OH. So OH we are going to substitute with the halogen atom. So for this various reagents can be used, okay, for the substitution OH with the halogen. So various reagents are used, so to get haloalkanes from alcohols. So which are those reagents? So by reacting by halogen atoms, Okay, we are going to react it with any of the halogen atoms, then the reaction by phosphorus halides, then the reaction by thionyl chloride. So these three reagents are there by which the haloalkanes can be prepared from alcohols. So this part we are going to see it in the next class. Okay student, so let us review what we have done today. Just I'm going to highlight what we have done today. So we have started with the definition. What do you mean by haloalkanes, haloarenes? Classification of haloalkanes, that is mono, di, tri, then primary, secondary, tertiary. General formula, okay, CnH2n plus 1. Nomenclature, common name and IUPAC name. Then comes the chart for 1 mark question. Then that is the nature of CX bond, okay, as electronegative element, that is the halogen, and carbon acquires positively charges partially and halogen acquires negatively charges. Reactivity increases as the size decreases. Okay, so this is the nature of CX bond. Then comes the haloarenes, are nothing but aromatic compounds, and they are substituted based on their position like ortho, meta and para. Okay, next comes the methods of preparation of haloalkanes. It is prepared from alcohols and halogen exchange method. So that detail we are going to study it in the next class. Thank you student.